All right, Jane Box Breaks here is the 11th of March, 11:50 p.m. Eastern Time. Chris here with a personal box breaks of 2013 Panini Football Limited. Let's get you something nasty, my friend. I'm gonna let you pick your box, Chris. I think they're only 7-card boxes, but there's a couple hits per box. I can't remember. So it's in threes. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What box number you want, sir? You get the fresh meat. 7? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it'll be 7. So 3 down from this. I've personally never opened 2013 Limited. I opened a bunch of 2012. Looking for Lux. Lux and Russell Wilson's. Did pretty good. All right, sir. Good luck. 3 hits per box. There's some nice ones on this checklist, though. Probably a lot of bums, too, but... Guys, are we lagging? My laptop is. Oh, it's nice looking this year. For this year. All right. D. Milner out of 299 on the Phenom. Save your hits. That's a sick patch. Doug Flutie to 349. Buffalo. Jonathan Stewart for Carolina out of 399. We got Frank Gore to 399. All right, we got a Jordan Reed Blue Chip Relic, 22 of 99 for the Redskins. We got a Jawan Jamison, nice, out of 299. Monkers for the Redskins. Sick patch, and Robert Woods is actually selling pretty well now. 45 of 49, 4-color on the RPA. Robert Woods. I just sold a relic of him, relic auto of him today for pretty good money on eBay. You might have bought it. Somebody did. It sold more than I thought it would. Not bad, man. Could have been worse. Obviously, we're going to be looking for like Eddie Lacy and guys like that in 2013. There's a lot of bet autos in this too, though. All right, let me top load them up. Where's my 130s at? It's 180. Just had a whole bunch of them out. And then I guess we'll do the recap. Unless anyone else wants to do any boxes real quick. I'm waiting on David to hit me back up about his Okay, well, Chris, if you're bidding on others, bud, don't worry about shipping. I'll re-invoice you with free shipping. Just let me know when you're done, and I'll just include it with these. Just let me know when you're done. Don't pay it until I change the invoice for you.